Hi, my name is Vanna. My family celebrates Christmas. First, my brother and my sister and I went to Crescent Mall to get decoration to put on the Christmas tree. Then we went home too and had a big feast. Later we plugged in the lights and we take pictures and funny pictures. I was proud because we will buy each other presents. Christmas also makes me feel excited because we get to see the reading reindeer.